What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Chasing Cuffs Court Edition, where we watch court trials and good stuff, fun stuff here and there. Anyways, the link to the original video is in the description below. I've watched Court with Chrissy before. She always has to make an appearance. That's what she does. But if you like the video, go check her out, give her a like, share, thumbs up, and do the same thing for me. Well, let's get started with this video.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Court with Chrissy. Here are 4 court shorts you probably didn't catch. And I'm kicking it off with the first one because I think there's a little bit of a conflict.
I don't know why she always just stands up on a wall like this.
Case.
That's just her thing.
I hope you like it. Court with Chrissy is
She's
now in session.
She's a good-looking woman.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jones. You have been charged in case 26CR001033L with simple battery family
violence. Must have been COVID time.
Is there a history?
Oh, maybe not.
No. There are 3 arrest cycles. The last arrest was in April of last year for DUI.
Come here, Bubba.
In Florida, there is no disposition listed.
It's snowing outside, so Donnie's happy.
Misdemeanor convictions for DUI in 2016 and 89. Nothing further.
Here, let me take off your leash.
Thank you. Ms. Spear?
Yes, Your Honor. In this particular instance, the defendant and victim had been at the defendant's house drinking. Then he transported her to her house. On the way,
look
there
at
was
that
a
pink
verbal
hair.
altercation. When they got to her place,
no, you got treats
yanked her
already
out
twice.
Of the car
You
and
just had
pushed her
another
to the
treat.
ground. This was witnessed by 2 other people as well as the victim, who had some just minor bruising and scrapes. Because of the 3 DUIs and the fact that there had been drinking involved, we are asking for an ADT in addition to the $2,000 surety. FVIP, no further contact with the victim, Lori Jones, LORI, and to stay away from place, which is the incident location. We did talk to the victim. Their children are grown. They are in college. They are aged 23 and 21. She said that the alcohol tends to make defendant verbally abusive. Our advocate encouraged them just to maintain contact strictly about any of the children's needs and to not fraternize any more than necessary. So we are asking for the 2,000 surety, FVIP, no further contact, stay away, and the ADET based on the alcohol involved here and the 3 DUI convictions. No drugs, alcohol, or weapons while on bond. Thank you.
Is this Ms. Jones in courtroom 2 here?
I'm his attorney.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Let's see. Can you identify yourself for the court, please?
My name is Lori Jones. My bar number is 378115. I'm a member of Georgia the Bar. I'm helping my ex-husband here. I do not want to. I hope that this is just a misdemeanor and it's not going to go on his to have any kind of permanent repercussions on him. And that's what I'm here for, because I don't want my children to view this. I'm protecting my children.
Okay, so in addition to being an attorney, Ms. Jones, you are also the alleged victim, is that correct?
I am the victim.
Has this ever happened before?
Yes. There's a history, decades.
So she's
okay.
Being her husband's lawyer who attacked
contact,
her.
What are your wishes as to contact?
I would like to still be in contact with him.
Anything further this afternoon?
Can I speak?
You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you, Mr. Jones. So I would just know that the prosecutors are on the line and that you'll have the opportunity to address this matter as you go forward. I'm going to give you a signature bond today. It will be a $3,000 signature bond through pretrial level 1. I want you to have alcohol drug evaluation and any treatment that's necessary. No further violent contact with Lori Jones, and no drugs, alcohol, weapons while out on bond. Good luck to you both.
All right, position 15, ACDC.
Okay.
This is a matter that was removed from small claims. Plaintiff has failed to appear or contact the court.
Plaintiff is here.
I'm not seeing anybody here.
I just guessed her name.
I'm here. Joanne
Mickey
Lindstedt.
Mouse.
Turn your video on so I can see you, please.
I'm trying to here. Just a second. Okay, there. I'm trying to, and it's not cooperating with me. What am I
Rebecca,
doing
let me
here?
grab something.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Now I can see you.
Okay.
Take your sunglasses off, please.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're welcome, Your Honor.
This is a hearing on your subpoena that you issued or asked to have issued, in which you asked for the first, middle, and last name, social security number, date of birth, cell phone number, and personal physical address of the defendant. Can you tell me why you're asking for that information?
Well, because I need the first and last name, because I was trying to file a complaint, and I don't know what her first, middle, or last name is, and I'm trying to get this her date of birth, physical address, and phone number, so that way that when I put the information on for the complaint, that I have the information there, because otherwise I don't know what her first and last name is. So that's why I'm wanting this information.
Well, you've asked for more than her first, middle, and last name. You asked for social security number, date of birth, cell phone number, and personal physical address. Typically, that information or some of that information is not normally made public.
Okay, whatever could be made public, that's what I want. Like her first go ahead.
The other problem is in small claims matters and in until there's an order of the court in district court matters, there typically isn't any discovery that's allowed. And what you're asking for is the court to order the other side to give you information. So that typically isn't done until there's a court order that allows that to be done.
So I can't get even her last name.
You may be able to once there's a discovery order in place, and then typically you don't do it by a subpoena, you do it by a written request for discovery.
Is that how I do it? For discovery?
You send that information to the other side,
piss off the judge.
And they're required to give whatever information is required of them, unless there's a good reason not to.
What form do I get then, or do I request?
I don't know that there's a form for you to do that on. What you're doing is you're trying to sue somebody, and the court can't act as your attorney to tell you how to do that.
Okay. All right. I will go to the courts or go to the supervisor at the court and then see how I can go about this, or how she can help me with it.
I don't know that the court supervisor can tell you much more than I can, because the court staff can't tell you how to do a court case either. They can tell you what forms are available, but they can't tell you how to resolve those issues. Those are legal issues, and they can't give you legal advice.
Okay, so then I guess then again, my question is, and how do I go about getting this information then? That's
what lawyers are for.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see what you're saying. All right. I will, then that's what I'll do is I'll contact my attorney and then go from there and then tell him what's going on, that I need this, and then I'll go from there with it.
All right. Well, what I'm going to do to help you a little bit is to enter an order that says that discovery is allowed. And I'm going to give 60 days to complete it.
Okay, so where do I go to from here then?
I'll tell you in just a second. Give me a chance.
Okay, sorry.
I'm going to set a settlement conference after discovery. So that'll be set by the court. And approximately sometime shortly after the 60-day time period for discovery is completed.
Okay.
And I'm also going to set this matter for mediation with community mediation
Okay.
at the conclusion of discovery.
I
Actually,
just
I'm gonna
love
set
it
the
when they put
settlements
it right up to
conference
their
in 90
face.
days. So that gives mediation about 30 days after discovery is done in order to be completed.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you. Have a good day.
Yep. Have a blessed day as well. Okay. Take care. I appreciate your help.
All right.
Works, and the services were delivered, and the contract was entered into her with her firm in Bexar County Justice of the Peace Precinct 3. So we are asking that this case be transferred to that venue. That venue was identified in the motion as well.
All right. And so both the cause of action and the defendant reside in Bexar County?
That's correct.
All right. What is the cause of action?
So this is, broadly speaking, it's breach of contract arising out of legal services that Ms. Pleasant provided. Just by way of background, we will ultimately assert for certain forms of dismissal just because of some technicalities, but actually Mr. Abazi was not the client. His son was the client, but Mr. Abazi paid for some or some of the services. But in as much as Ms. Pleasant's always been in Bexar County Precinct 3 and the work was all done there, it actually related to an appeal that was pending at the Fifth Circuit in New Orleans. But she and all the work was in San Antonio.
All right, legal contract. Cool. I just don't know the difference. All right.
Yep.
Good afternoon, Mr. Abazi. Ms. Nicholas is here. She's representing Ms. Pleasant, the defendant. She's given me two specific things that relate to where a lawsuit can be filed. And so for all lawsuits, regardless, there are two venues that you as the plaintiff can bring your suit. You can sue the defendant where the defendant lives, whatever county that is, or you can sue where the action happened, like where the action occurred. What Ms. Nicholas is saying is that both of those would put the case in Bexar County. So, Mr. Abazi, do you have any reason to believe that the action occurred outside, or that the action you're suing about happened here in Travis County?
Well, when I met May 28th, I'm not an attorney, I'm a chef trying to help my son. And I didn't know, I was unknown, the appeal dismissed, it was dismissed April 9th, 2024, prior to the agreement, which I'm not an attorney. I didn't know that the appeal was dismissed April 9th, and she took the money May 28th,
Mr. Abazi?
2024.
Mr. Abazi, what court was that appeal in?
I did appeal here because I live in Travis County. I came here at Precinct 3, and they paid the fee, and they said you have to go back to that county. I did it again, and I got all the information. But the most damage that I left a check in my business, my son, to help him when I was back home, because I used my personal card, but not the business and the checks. I left it to my son.
Mr. Abazi.
And when I came home.
Mr. Abazi.
Yes, ma'am.
I am only concerned with, you hired Ms. Pleasant to do work on behalf of your son? Is
Yes.
that correct?
Yes.
What court was your son being, what court was he in? Was that in San Antonio?
No, in Travis County.
The work that Ms. Pleasant did was for a court in Travis County.
Well, I gave him all the information that were the federal court here in Austin.
Give the card to you.
This is where the federal court was filed.
Your Honor, if I may.
So how do you avoid this?
Just for clarification, by the time Ms. Pleasant was engaged on behalf of Mr. Abazi's son, his case was, they had attempted to appeal it to the Fifth Circuit in New Orleans. And I don't want to burden the court with all the particulars of that. I'm happy to answer any questions the court has about that. But the only matter that Ms. Pleasant was engaged to assist on was the notice of appeal that had been filed in the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans.
Mr. Abazi, do you have the contract where you hired Ms. Pleasant?
I don't have it with me, but I got the check stubs that I left, and she.
And Mr. Abazi?
But my
Mr.
biggest.
Abazi,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm looking at what you filed. As part of your petition, you included business cards for the defendant that list her as being a business owner in San Antonio. Is that correct?
On my business card?
No, her business card, sir. I'm going to show you what you submitted to the court. Okay, I'm going to share my screen.
Well, I got
she
gave me her business card.
Exactly, Mr. Abazi. On the
stop at the
card,
office.
her name and her card say San Antonio. Do you see that?
Right. Yes, I got the business card.
So she's in San Antonio.
So I made a mistake to file here in Travis County?
Correct. You have to file either where she lives or where the court you hired her to work at was at. And for what I'm getting from Ms. Nicholas and what I see of your appeal, that does not appear to be in Travis County. So what would happen, Mr. Abazi, is that your case would be transferred. You don't have to do anything. We would send this lawsuit to San Antonio for the judge there to hear it. And you get to have your day in court with just a different judge. That's it.
So basically, you as the judge in Travis.
But we're not going to hold that against you. We're going to send it to the correct court and you can still keep your case going.
Yes, because, it's going to be a little different now because the $3,000 was taken from my account, which I didn't even know. And my business, PNC Bank, charged me so much money I didn't even know that the $3,000 disappeared from my account.
How do you don't check your account?
Abazi, that will be part of your case in chief, and you absolutely would bring that up before the court in Bexar County.
Believe me, I understand. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know the law, but I'm just trying to help my son like any father. Then I got scammed type of thing. This is what I feel.
Mr. Abazi, you absolutely have a chance to tell your story and to have a judge make a final decision. What I'm saying today, and I've signed the order, we're going to transfer this case to San Antonio, to Precinct 3 there. And
I've been there 3 times. I was there 3 times.
Okay, fantastic. We're going to send all the information to that court, and then that court will contact both you and Ms. Pleasant and Ms. Nicholas with new court dates, and you get to have your entire case goes forward, sir. It's just going to be with a different judge. All right?
Well, I know. I mean, that's your job, and you have to follow the thing, but I'm not a legal expert. The only thing I know, lost all my money.
Mr. Abazi, you're doing just fine, and it's because of that there's no harm here. We're going to move it. All right. Then defendant's motion to transfer and to dismiss from Precinct 3 in Travis County is granted. We will provide that information to Bexar County. All parties today are excused. Good luck with your proceedings in Bexar County. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sylvia.
Thank you very much, Mr. Abazi. Ms. Nicholas, Ms. Pleasant.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Take care.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Never heard him call the
Mary, I
judge
used
by
the
their
order
first
that we
name, but
already had.
he's a lot older than her, so I guess it's all
This is
right.
file 25-02-085. And there's 2 other files with show cause notices. One of them is 25-R-0-2774. And the other is 24-R-0-8825. People versus Lawrence Dewan Nicholson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Carrie Miller appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Nicholson. With regards to, we're appearing via Zoom. We are consenting to this hearing being held via Zoom. We're both on camera. Mr. Nicholson is actually not on camera right now, but he's in the Royal Oak Jail, and I did see him on camera when I met with him. With regards to the arraignment on the new charge of the possession of paraphernalia, we would waive a formal reading and enter a plea of not guilty at this time.
Do you consent to conducting this hearing on the Zoom platform?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
Not guilty does enter. Court will schedule a pretrial. Is he requesting appointed counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
As to the other two matters, bonds set when the warrants were issued. Okay, so if you'd address the issue of bond, please.
There I am requesting a personal bond on behalf of my client. He's indigent. He has no money at all to post towards bond. This is obviously it's serious to have a paraphernalia, but it was certainly not a violent situation at all. And I understand that he has some failure to pay warrants, but as the court just stated, the money owed is rather small. I did ask if he could possibly pay those off today, and he said that he can't. So I am asking the court to allow him a personal bond so that he can get out of jail.
Got two warrants outstanding where he failed to appear in court.
He must have moved the camera up or something.
That doesn't give rise to much of a likelihood of his appearing. Is he employed?
No, he's not, Your Honor.
You don't hire, you don't give my social security card, you don't do shit. I bought some earphones and they stole the motherfuckers and you say I stole them.
Mr. Nicholson, is the property at Eureka owned by a member of your family?
Property?
Who owns the Eureka house?
Oh, my cousin. That's somebody come and take somebody's earphones from a long time ago.
Can you hear him, Your Honor?
No, I could not.
He said his cousin. Come here so he can hear you.
I guess I got him out there buggy, sir.
Say that again.
I'll get him out there buggy at the theater. Some earphones I found, and I called the police, and they came and got me from the church, Star Pedestrian Church. But some guy came in there and took his earphone from me. He said somebody stole it from Planet Fitness. That's how I got in here. So I don't know, man. I'm trying to pay you, bro. I just don't have no employment.
The allegation that you're facing today is alleged to have occurred at the corner, near the corner of 13 Mile Road in Crooks.
Yes. I was in the street with a buggy. I was trying to get in front of the street, sir, but
front of the street.
Yes. I couldn't get on a buggy. I couldn't get on the sidewalk.
Was the buggy a grocery store type buggy?
No, sir, it was that red buggy that everybody always carried around, sir. It was some red buggy everybody always had. They parked it and somebody else used it. So I had my bicycle on top of it, sir. That was the only thing that was going on. I couldn't carry my buggy. I couldn't carry my bike with me, so I put it on the buggy and carried it. I was trying to get back to the priest, to carry it, to lock it up, but I couldn't I couldn't use it.
The purpose of a bond, Mr. Nicholson, is not designed to punish you before trial.
Yeah.
It's to help make sure that you show up for the hearings.
Yeah.
And it also is to protect the public.
Yeah.
Either of these or none of these charges that you're charged with present a tremendous danger to the public. Most of the danger is to you. On the other hand, you got two matters spread over a couple of years where you just don't show up.
Oh, I was paying on the ticket, sir. I didn't know about showing up. I was paying you. I didn't know about showing up on the ticket, sir. I didn't have no.
When did you last make a payment?
I didn't have no court. I did.
Said you were paying, sir. When was the last payment made?
I just paid you like some money. Like that's how I got the ticket down, sir. I got that jaywalking ticket from around the corner when some guy socked me in the mouth, and I had a fight.
My question, sir, is when did you make the last payment?
You had gave me some paper when the lady.
That's not sounding like a date.
Yeah.
When did you make the last payment?
Probably like 3 months ago, sir. I don't know exactly the date.
You owed a total of $290 and it has been paid down to $265. So there was money paid.
Yes, I was trying to pay you. I just got another charge. I caught another charge.
Some of us catch a cold and you caught a charge.
Yeah, I was trying to get you together and caught another charge, or somebody keep messing with me. and keep playing games with me, and that's how I keep on getting in trouble because of somebody else doing stuff too.
Yeah, nothing you did.
They must like me or something around here. I don't know.
How much money do you have on you?
I don't think I have any money. I probably have something. I don't know. I had to check.
Are there any other wants or holds, officer?
Not that I'm aware of, Your Honor. I don't have his actual booking form.
I don't know, man. Somebody messing with me. I ain't do nothing wrong.
Okay, the bond on the pedestrian violation will be $50 personal. The bond on the bicycle violation will be $250 personal. And the bond on the new charge will be $250 cash, surety, or 10%. Ms. Miller, I don't think we're going to have any of the show causes that were scheduled for an hour and a half ago show up.
Okay, yeah, I don't think they are showing up.
I think we'll call this a day.
Right on. All right, guys. Those were kind of boring ones. They were some short ones, but I thought it was going to be better because they had like 4 in one. It was still, I mean, it's court cases, right? All right, guys. Come back tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. And what I'm thinking about doing is, because I can't guarantee, you know, it's a big issue with Rumble. We can only put you can only premiere one video at a time. So I can't do them both. So what I can do is I can upload videos and set them to open at 1. So I'm gonna have court videos every day at 1. But when I can, I'm also gonna do a premiere, which that way everybody can join and chat. So that if I do that, that'll be at 2 p.m. Pacific. Whereas these videos, guaranteed, are gonna show up every time at 1 p.m. Pacific. So you might notice some more videos coming up. You know, the more the merrier. All right, guys. Have a good night. Have a good day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.